Monarch Mania. Monarchs at risk. Monarch populations have been rapidly declining in North America. From 1999 through 2012 in the Midwestern United States, there was a 64% decrease in the amount of milkweed available and an 88% decline in the number of monarchs present. For the 2013-2014 overwintering season in Mexico, monarchs covered just 0.67 hectares of forest, the smallest amount of overwintering monarchs seen in these locations since they were discovered. The largest area in the past 20 years was 20.97 hectares in the winter of 1996-97. There are several natural and human-caused factors occurring at the same time to create a perfect storm of problems for monarch survival. Monarchs are being killed unintentionally by herbicides and insecticides used to control weeds and other insects. Illegal logging and forest degradation in the Mexican overwintering site has reduced available suitable habitat. Loss of milkweed plants due to habitat conversion to other uses and changes in land management practices have been devastating. It is estimated that since 1996, more than 167 million acres of milkweed habitat has been lost. Drought conditions in the western United States have resulted in fewer milkweed plants. Overwintering habitat loss and degradation in California due to development in and around the groves, as well as loss of trees in overwintering groves due to age, has hurt these monarch populations. Intensive agricultural planting reduces field margins where milkweed plants once thrived. Mowing along roadways also removes milkweed plants. Temperatures for the past few years have been unfavorable for the development of the immature stages of the first returning monarchs in the spring and the ability of the adult monarchs to move northward. Monarchs arriving later in the summer breeding grounds are not able to produce as many offspring as previously. Monarchs leaving later in the fall are not surviving as well along the migratory route. Black swallowwort and pale swallowwort are members of the milkweed family that are native to Europe. They were accidentally introduced to the United States in the 1800s. Female monarchs will lay eggs on these plants, but the monarch larvae cannot eat them. These larvae die. These are called dead-end host plants. These two swallowwort species also crowd out native milkweed plants. Black swallowwort can be found in Illinois. Pale swallowwort grows in Indiana, Missouri, and Wisconsin, and may also be present in Illinois. We all can take actions to save monarchs. See Monarch Mania, Helping Monarchs for details.